You just landed in Paris. The air smells of fresh croissant. And someone walks up to you and says, Bonjour. What do you say? Panic? Smile awkwardly? Nope. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say. Salut tout le monde, bienvenue à Will Anya French. Et aujourd'hui, I'm going to teach you how to greet people and introduce yourself in French like a pro. And guess what? We're going to do it the fun way. No boring textbooks here. Let's go. First things first, how do you say hello in French? Well, there are two main ways. Bonjour madame, comment allez-vous? Salut, ça va? From the short scenarios that just played out, can you tell which situation was formal or casual? Bonjour madame, comment allez-vous? Salut, ça va? Okay, let's practice now. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. Salut. Salut. So remember, use bonjour with strangers, teachers, or in professional settings. Use salut for friends and people you know well. Easy, right? Great. Now type your favorite greeting in the comments below. Some beginners make a mistake by saying salut to their boss. Oops. What do you think? Is that okay? Yes or no? Comment below. Okay, now imagine you're meeting someone new and you need to introduce yourself. How do you do it? It's easy. Just say, Je m'appelle plus your name. Je m'appelle plus your name. Je m'appelle Will. Je m'appelle Will. Je m'appelle. Now, after the introduction, you'd want to say, nice to meet you, or you're pleased to meet the person. How do you say that? Enchanté. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Salut, je m'appelle Will Anya. Et toi? I am meeting Sophie for the first time. She is a stranger. I introduced myself to her. However, she ignored me. What did I do wrong? What should I have said? Let's test what you've learned. If you're meeting your boss, do you say bonjour or salut? Type A for bonjour, B for salut. The answer is definitely bonjour because it's a formal situation and if you want to avoid une lettre de congédiement from your boss. Now it's your turn. Type je m'appelle plus your name in the comments. I will check the comments and reply to you. Bravo! Now you know how to greet and introduce yourself in French like a pro. Next, I'll teach you how to respond to ça va like a natural. So hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Merci d'avoir appris avec moi. This is Will and your French, where fun meets français. Keep it fun, keep it French, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt!